We are here today. We have been vindicated by the courts. We are free.
Yes.
We are going home.
Yes.
But you can't go home yet without talking about our brothers and sisters who are missing.
Yes.
The DCI and NIS took these 3 men.
Yes.
They were abducted by the state.
Yes.
There is evidence. The court gave a court order for the police to produce them. They have refused to produce them.
Yes.
When our president, our lying president, goes around and says there are no missing people, these are the missing people.
Yes.
Mwango. Mwango kabisa. So our demand is to release these 3 men unconditionally, and every other person who is missing. My brother here went to State House yesterday, and we're planning to go to State House to give Ruto a list of the missing people.
Yes.
We shall march to Parliament, to State House, it's a public house. We shall march to State House to put a Ruto list of the missing people.
Yes.
And then, listen people, NIS budget is 46.8 billion shillings. That is the money that is being used to abduct people, bribe politicians, and buy royalty. Yes. We have refused to be bribed, but now we're being intimidated. The reason why people can't go to the streets is because the police are looking down Nairobi. But the resistance is still strong. We are going to resist until Ruto goes. Yes. Ruto must go. Ruto must go. Ruto must go. We are not going to bembeleza him. Ruto is a murderer. Ruto is a thief, a land grabber, and he's a liar. Yes. He lies all the time. Yes. Akifungua mudomo anadanganyana. Ruto promised. Listen. Ruto promised the families of the dead, the ones of the police killers in Parliament, compensation. He has gone quite on that. So I beg you, please help us find our brothers. Please help us find our brothers.
How are you safe?
Tell us, the family members are here. Come, the family members are here.